Good morning, guys. We're here at our VIP limousine.
Oh wow, that's fabulous.
Mga
We're headed to where?
We're going to Philippines. We're going to Alcatraz. It's Alcatraz tour. Ayan.
Hi everyone, welcome to Bisayang Barista in America vlog. This is Gwen,
Yay
the
po.
Bisayang Barista.
Mayong buntag ninyong tanan. So, nandun sa mga likod. Say hi. Oh, thank you. Wow.
Sabi niya ano yun, sumakay lang, hindi niya sinara.
So, we have okay, we're gonna interview this driver here. Okay, let's do.
You have to interview. Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Bisayang Barista vlog. James.
Oh, hi James. How are you doing? Oh, may ano siya, may earphone siya.
Well, hello to you guys. Thank you for joining me on this side of the bay, which is completely opposite of where this is my base right here. That's my little booth right there. A little bit about me. That's our booth there. And this dock right here is the ferry dock. So later on today, when you come back from Alcatraz, you'll be on another boat. And it docks right here, which is where you, I guess, parked right here. Do you guys park here? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll give you ferry tickets, and that's where you'll take it back. And you should be, if you're on the 145 ferry, you should be back here about 2:15. Okay. Yeah.
Ooh,
So
interesting.
I'll do my tour of the.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning everyone. Talaga ako yung nagsalita dito.
Sorry. Okay, guys, welcome. We have a special guest from
From Tamarinville in the Philippines. Guess
Uh-huh.
where? Sampaloc, Manila.
Oh my God, yung boses ko talaga. Okay. We have also the VIP. Ayan,
That's a very, very VIP.
Very, very VIP. Ang lamig already. Okay. Yeah, type it into nawa. Okay.
In the event of an emergency,
Kinig daw.
our trained crew members will assist you with our life-saving equipment. Life jackets are located under all fixed seating
Makinig
and
daw.
deck boxes throughout the vessel.
Ready?
Instructions to wear life jackets are located on every
Thumbs up. Ayan. So we're having it. We're at Ayan. Clothes. Shoes.
And English, so it's our second language. So
Are you sure? Joke lang.
Kasi social tayo. Salamat.
Okay. Like that. Ganda ng Alcatraz.
Maganda from the outside. But when you feel
Scary. Tapos mahulog. Wah! Nahulog siya. That looks scary.
wow.